Hey everyone, today we're hanging out in my jungle room and I'm going to show you one of my Rhaphidophora Tetrasperma plants. This guy actually came to me as a one-leaf cutting and I rooted it in some sphagnum moss for a few months and transferred it to my aeroid soil mix. But yeah, this guy is also known as a mini monstera, but in fact it is not related really so much to the Monstera deliciosa. They're in the same family, Eriacea, but they're in fact from different parts of the world. The Tetrasperma being from like the Thailand area, and Monstera deliciosa being from like the Mexico, Panama kind of area. And the deliciosa produces edible fruit, whereas this guy does not. But yeah, this guy gets a lot of indirect bright light. It never gets too close to any of my windows. All the light it gets is from two south-facing windows and an east-facing window, but it's, I'd say, about 6 to 8 feet back from the window, so very diffuse bright light. I try and keep the soil fairly evenly moist. I do let it dry out once in a while, and then I just give it a whole bunch of water. And yeah, I haven't noticed any pests yet, but you always want to be wary of like mealybugs or spider mites, usually with most of your plants. But yeah, this guy is very easy to take care of. It grows a lot. I have another plant right beside me here that's, I'd say, about almost 4 feet tall. I have it growing up a piece of bamboo for now until I get my hands on some moss. Then I'll have it climb a moss pole. But yeah, it's every week or so there's a new leaf coming out. You can see in this guy, the lower leaf, this is the original leaf that I got. And then it produced another leaf with one fenestration, and then the next leaf had a couple more, and then it reverted back to its juvenile state, as you can see here, with no fenestrations, and then slowly, the newest leaf is a one fenestration on it. So as this plant grows up, it'll develop more fenestrations. Yeah, if you guys have any questions about this plant or about anything, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and find us on Instagram, Salty Plant Co. And thanks for tuning in. Bye.